First, install the light tube, connect the ground wire. Lean the tube against it. Fasten the screws. Connect the wire. Connect the aviation plug. Take off the cover. Install the flat plate and fasten the screws. Connect the ground wire. Connect the fan wires. Connect the signal wire. Connect the network communication. Put back the cover. Turn on the power. This machine has fingerprint recognition login function. Input fingerprint. Login in. Return to origin. Turn on the light. Adjust the brightness. Click camera to froze the picture. Pick BGA. Select one or more. Another method to inspect BGA. Inspect IC. Click camera to froze the picture. Pick IC.